Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will solve a simple yet useful problem to find the sum of all numbers divisible by both 3 and 5 in a given range. So our task is to find the sum of all numbers divisible by both 3 and 5 in a range specified by the user. So for example, if the input is like start equal to 1 and end equal to 20, then we should find all the numbers divisible by 3 and 5 in between 1 and 20. The output should be 50 since 50 is the only element which is divisible by both 3 and 5 in the specified range, which is 1 and 20. So this is the code implementation of it. Let me explain it line by line. So first we define a function sum divisible by 3 and 5 that takes the start and end of the range as inputs. Then we initialize a variable total sum to 0, which will store the sum of numbers divisible by both 3 and 5. And then we iterate through the range of numbers from start to end, including the endpoints. That is why n plus 1 is given. Then for each number we check if it is divisible by both 3 and 5 using the modulus operator. If true, we add it to the total sum. Then finally we return the total sum. So then we take the user input, we take the start and end of the range as input from the user. Then we calculate the result using sum divisible by 3 and 5, and finally we will display the result. So let's test the code. Let's give a small range 1 and 20. The output should print like 15. So yeah, the output is 15. Let's give bit larger input range, so 1 and 50. The output is 90, so it should print 90. Yeah, it is printing 90. So let's give another input with no divisible numbers in between them. So from 1 and 10 there is no divisible, so the sum is 0. So the key concept we learned are a for loop, then the conditional logic to check the divisibility condition using the modulo operator, then the cumulative sum, adding the number to a running total. And that's how we can calculate the sum of all numbers divisible by both 3 and 5 in a given range. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned and happy coding.